guys, it's Lisa here. I was recently working on a newsletter and I wanted to include a little paper craft project in it. And then coincidentally, I went to lunch with a friend of mine who had a whole bunch of scrapbooking stuff that she didn't want anymore, and so she gave it to me. And that got me thinking that you guys probably have a whole bunch of scrapbooking stuff that you don't know what to do with anymore, or maybe you still scrapbook. So I found this little folding technique that makes these little gift bags. And I thought that might be a cute way for you guys to use some of your papers, book pages, or scrapbooking papers, and all the little ephemera that goes along with that. All right, there's no pattern, it's just folds, and it's super easy. And once you do it a couple of times, you'll have it down pat. All right, let's give it a go. Okay, so this is some of the paper that my friend Cheryl gave me. Thank you for the paper, Cheryl, by the way. So depending on the size of the paper, that determines the size of your little gift bag. And you'll see what I mean in a second. So here's what we're gonna do. This is, I think, a standard size piece of scrapbook paper. And the print is gonna be on the outside, okay? So we're gonna flip it over and fold it. And it's not an exact measurement. This is going to end up being the top lip of the little bag. All right, so we got the first fold. Then I'm going to find the center by folding it like this and pinching it, just like that. So that's going to give me my center mark. I'm going to fold one side a little past center. And the other side over. Okay, now I'm going to use some double-sided tape here to secure this. You could use washi tape right here, or just clear tape. I don't have washi tape. I think that would be really cute, but I'm afraid to go down the washi tape rabbit hole. I'm afraid I might never come back out of it. So I'm just going to use some double-sided tape to secure the back. So this is your top, and now we're going to do the bottom. So depending on how far up you fold this, that's going to determine the depth or the width of your base of the little bag, okay? So we're going to fold it here. And if you want it to have a shallower base, you wouldn't fold it over so much. And then we're going to open this fold up like this. Pull it open so that you have two little triangles here on the edges. Okay. So we're going to fold in those triangles. And then we're going to fold these edges into the center here. And you have to secure this too, so I'm just going to use some regular tape this time. And that creates the bottom. Your little sack. Look how cute that is. And then she gave me, I'm going to put this little dancer on it. So I have a couple of glue dots. I think these would make really sweet treat bags for birthday parties. I'm kind of in love with the idea of just having a couple made up with maybe some little candies or something in them that you can give to friends that you go out to lunch with or whatever. And then for the top, you can do several things. You can fold it over, of course, and put like a little sticker or a little clip up here. This one, I punched holes in this one and put some rope through to make a little handle. This one I made out of the map. I cut these little scallops, and this map was really great because it has these longitude and latitude lines, so it was kind of easy to make these little scallops even. So I cut the top of this one. This one I tore, so it has a raw torn edge on it. And then this one I tied with a little ribbon. Okay, see how easy that was? We're gonna do it one more time. I think that's just adorable. All right, this time we're gonna use this butterfly paper. Now, I got this book from a friend of mine who volunteers at a library, and people come in and donate books all the time to the library. So she pulls these books for me, and the reason I'm telling you this is that a lot of times these libraries have book sales. If you just go on and get on their website or get on the newsletter or whatever, you can find out when their book sale is, and sometimes you can pick these books up for $1 or 50 cents, $2 maybe. And it's got all this beautiful paper in it that you can use to make stuff with. So I pulled this page and I cut it down already, so this bag's gonna be a little bit smaller. So the size of the page determines the size of the bag, all right? And if you let your friends know that you're working with paper, you'd be surprised how many of them have paper that they don't know what to do with, or old books, scrapbooking paper. Just let your friends know that you're working with paper, and you could probably pick up some pretty good stuff. Free, always the best. Okay, so let's try it one more time. This is gonna be, let's see, which side do we want to be the front? I think this is gonna be the front. Okay, so we're gonna fold it over. This is our top fold. Then we're gonna find the center. I'm gonna put just a little pinch at the top so that I know where my center is. Fold one side a little bit over center. Fold the other side in to meet it, or overlap it a little bit. This is where we're gonna use our double-sided tape. There we go. That's our top. So now we're going to fold in the bottom. I'm going to make this one a little bit shallower than I made the last one. If I wanted it to have a deeper bottom, I would fold it more like that. But we're going to do a little shallow bottom. Take this bottom piece and just open it up. And these little triangles will show you where they want to go. You may have to poke your finger down in there and kind of push that paper out a little bit. Okay, fold in your, press your little triangles down. Take these flaps, fold them into the center. And I'll have some regular tape. Secure the bottom there. We have this cute little bag. Now I'm going to show you how I did the little tie with the bow. Alright, so I'm going to use a hole punch. Some little ribbon here. How sweet. So many uses for these little bags. I think they're so cute. So I hope you enjoyed that little craft project. It's so easy, I think even your kids could do it without any problem. It just takes a couple times, and then you got the folds and the patterns down. If you have any questions though, you can email me at lisa at lisamoralesmixedmedia.com, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at A Pinch of Wonderful. See you next time. Bye-bye.